my travel bees. You think that we know no more buildings for good uses. And I wanted to film more lists for good uses. And I only filmed 3 thanks to you. But I completed the weather star pool. Here's some video. Princess Scarlet Lovelock. But now I'm filming for Olaru. And you know why you like Olaru's channel? Because his videos are great. But the name of his channel is Yankee Did 5000 and Zoe Belasco FTW Fundy Bro ETTP FTL. So your own great thing is cancelling tools for good uses. And I like continuing doing whatever I like. You cannot cancel anything. You cannot cancel anything with stupid child abuser. And thanks to you, now I cannot plan my list to 5,667 thanks to you. And also Sam's to 5,667 is a good user too. And you considered it. And I wanted to do to him to Sam's to 5,667. But he always makes grand videos out of KIU and Dora. But don't worry. The bags over you. And my freaking uncle that I wanted to this stuff for Sam's the next two will be a did. I think it will be. What do you want for this? But I said to him no. What floor are you going?
A ver qué piso va el primero.
Yo voy al sexto.
And I come and plan to plan the 2 for Sam's to 5,000.
Que hable en español. Claro que lo parió. Todo el camino en inglés y yo no sé, no te entiendo lo que estás diciendo, hijo.
Thanks a lot.
¿Puedes decirlo en español? Que yo no me entero. ¿Puedes decirlo en español que yo no me entero?
No, I'm sorry.
Y ya nos vamos derecho, ¿eh? Yo ya estoy cansada y me estoy haciendo pipí. Y yo no puedo hacer pipí en un árbol como tú.
What do you have to give me? Good.